Hi students, all. So quickly tell all your friends join the class. So let us begin the class of our this particular course. That is, in this particular class, I am going to discuss your linear programming problems. By the end of this class, you are going to be perfect with linear programming problems, and you can also learn how to solve 6-mark problems that are going to be asked from your part D. Quickly tell all of your friends to join the class. Good afternoon. Welcome to the class. So as I said, all must be in the live class. All of you must be in the live class. Quickly tell all your friends to join the class. Okay. I have shared the video link again that all can join through that, no problem. Who have not yet joined, please join through the class that we can start the class. Clear? Okay. So in this class, I am going to take the LPP problems, that is already you know. Okay. So please remember, for this year only bounded problems are going to be there, and concentrate on which problem, on the problems which I solve, you practice those things only. Okay, if you perfect with those particular problems, that is enough here. So here what are the given terms, you just see. See here the given term is z equal to 3x plus 9y, z equal to 3x plus 9y, and the given equations are x plus 3y lesser than or equal to 60, x plus y greater than or equal to 10, x plus y greater than or equal to 10, plus y greater than or equal to 10, and another equation is x is lesser than or equal to y. So here in the simple way, I am going to tell you how to find the points on line 1, line 2 and line 3. Clear? See how to solve the first equation, that is x plus 3y equal to 60. To draw this box, okay, so x and y terms, first you take x term 0 and put here x term 0. So quickly tell me, if x is 0, what it will happen? If x is 0, 0 plus 3y will be equal to 60. That is, y will be equal to 60 by 3, and that is 20. If x is 0, y is 20. Now take y equal to 0. So if y equal to 0, what happens? X plus 0 equal to 60. That is nothing but x equal to 60. So if y is 0, x is 60. So quickly tell me all of you, have you understood how I have simplified this? Quickly tell me all of you. If x is 0, put x as 0, 3y equal to 60 by 3, that is y equal to 20. Next, if I put y equal to 0, x will be equal to 60. All of you tell me, have you understood this? I go for the next equation. Quickly tell me, shall I go for the next equation? Okay. So next, x plus y equal to 10. X plus y equal to 10. So now what you have, see here. If x is 0, what you are going to write? X is 0 plus y, that will be equal to 10. That means y is 10. Y will be 10. Now if y is 0, what you are going to have? X plus 0 equal to 10. Therefore x will be equal to 10. So x is 10. Okay. So have you understood the second equation? Have you understood the second equation? Quickly tell me, all of you, have you understood the second equation? If you all have understood the second equation, I will go for the third equation. If you all have understood the second equation, I will go for the third equation. Okay. So now I will go for the third equation. That is x is equal to y. Now let us simplify x equal to y. If I write x is 0, y is 0. If I write x is 0, y will be 0. So see, in the WhatsApp group there are more than 60 students, but only 30 of you have attended the class. What about others? All must attend the class. Okay. So now if x is 0, y will be also 0. If x and y both becomes 0, we say that it is line passing through the origin. If both these terms becomes 0, we say that this line is passing through the origin. We say that this line is passing through the origin. Clear? So now if you get x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, this is going to be the line passing through the origin. Keep in mind, you have to choose any value from the previous box. You have to choose any value from the previous box. You are getting my point? If x is 0, y is 10, y is 0, x is 10. Clear? So if here x is 0, y is 0, you have to choose any point from the previous number. That is, I will choose x is 10. If x is 10, then y is also going to be 10. If x is 10, then y is also going to be 10. Clear? Okay. So now these are the solutions that you have to use in the graph. That you have to use in the graph. Clear? So quickly tell me, shall I go for the graph? Have you understood this? Quickly tell me, all of you. Shall I go for the graph? Okay. So now you all see the graph. I think the graph is visible to all of you. Okay. See the graph. I am going to divide the graphs as, by looking at your points, you can see you have 0, 10, 20, 60, so on. I will take the points Origin point is 0. This is 5. This is 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and this is 60. Okay. Next, here this is 5, this is 10, this is 15, 20, 25, and this is 30. So be careful while drawing the graph. You take the correct points and draw the graph. Okay, see the first line. The first line is x plus 3y equal to 60. This is our first line, x plus 3y equal to 60. X is 0, y is 20. So x is 0, y is 20. So take x is 0, y is 20. This is going to be the point. X is 0, y is 20. So another point is x is 60, y is 0. So x is 60, y is 0. We have to draw the line here. See this, you take the scale and join the line very correctly. Here to draw the line I may face some problem because I have to draw it digitally, so it will be little bit tough for me. Okay, so you take the scale and join this line. Okay, clear? So all of you join this line and you can draw the graph, no problem. And as you draw the line, write the equation of that particular line. So here to write the equation of line. What is the equation of line? The equation of line is x plus 3y equal to 60. X plus 3y equal to 60. Okay. So next, x plus y equal to 10. X is 0, y is 10. X is 0, y is 10. And y is 0, x is 10. Can join these 2 points, no problem. Okay. Can join these 2 points. The scale, no problem. So while solving the graph, use the scales. Clear? Next, another one is line passing through the origin. That is 10 comma 10 and 0 comma 0. So here the line is passing through the origin. This x is lesser than or equal to y. X is lesser than or equal to y. and here this is x plus 3y lesser than or equal to 60, and the another line is x plus y, say this, x plus y greater than or equal to 10. Okay, so now I have to go for visible region. So see my dear students, where the line is passing through the origin, for this line most of the students are going to make wrong. That is the line passing through the origin. Okay, so for this line, how to check true or false? Please see. For this line passing through the origin, you have to choose the point from second quadrant. You have to choose the point from second quadrant. So for this line, you choose the point minus 10 comma plus 10. You choose the point minus 10 comma plus 10, that is in the second quadrant. It will be in the second quadrant. So you choose this point and you put in this equation. What it will be? X is minus 10 lesser than or equal to plus 10. Tell me this is true or false. Tell me this is true or false. Quickly. Quickly tell me it is true or false. Quickly tell me it is true or false. Okay. So it is true. So some of you are replying that it is true. Very good. It is correct. So if it is true, the arrow mark must be towards the second quadrant, because second quadrant will be here. So towards that second quadrant, your arrow mark must be present. Towards the second quadrant, your arrow mark must be present. Okay. Next you see here. You put 0 and 0 in the x and y place. So it will give 0 is lesser than or is equal to 60. True or false? So tell me. Now it is true or false? So tell me the second line is true or false? If it is true, arrow mark must go towards origin. If it is true, arrow mark must go towards origin. On the same way, you check the third equation, put x value as 0, y value as 0. 0 will be lesser than or equal to 10. So this is false. If it is false, away from the origin. Arrow mark must be away from the origin for the third line. So now can see that here the arrow marks are going to intersect. Therefore, this is going to be your visible region. This is going to be your visible region. Okay. So now we got the visible region. Using this visible region, now we have to find maximum and minimum. Now we have to find maximum and minimum. For that, I will take point A, point B and point C with point D. So I will take this as point A. I will take this as point B. as point C and this as point D. So I have four corner points which I have to find. That is point A, point B, point C and point D. Now to find point A, I has to find point A. For that, I has to solve the equation line this and this. That means the point is present on which line, that two lines has to be solved. So therefore I has to solve now x equal to y and 3x plus y equal to 60. So see here, for the point A, for the point A, I has to solve x equal to y and x plus 3y equal to 60. I has to solve x equal to y and x plus 3y equal to 60. So now here we know that x is equal to y. In the place of y, I will replace x equal to 60. See this, x is equal to y. So that's why I will replace y term as x. This will be 4x equal to 60 and x will be equal to 60 by 4. So that is 15. Therefore, 15 comma 15 is your point A. 15 comma 15 is your point A because x equal to y, x plus 3y equal to 60. These are the two equations which I have to solve. So to simplify these equations, x equal to y, in the place of y, I has to replace it as x. So it will be x plus 3x as 60, 4x equal to 60, x equal to 15. Okay. So if x is equal to 15, you can see that x is equal to y is given. Therefore, x is 15, y is 15. Next, for point B, for point B, which equations you have to solve? See here. For point B is on again two lines, x equal to y and x plus y equal to 10. Point B is on x equal to y and x plus y equal to 10. So I has to simplify x equal to y. I has to simplify x equal to y and x plus y equal to 10. So put again x is equal to y is given. So in the place of y we can write x. So x plus x is equal to 10. 2x is equal to 10. Therefore x is equal to 5. Therefore if x is 5, y is also 5. Point B is going to be 5 comma 5. Point B is going to be 5 comma 5. Clear? So point A is 15 comma 15. Point B is 5 comma 5. You can see point C here only. See point C here only and tell me what is point C. See here, point C will be x is 0, y is 10. See the point D, x is 0, y is 20. Therefore, x is 0, y is 10, x is 0, y is 20. Therefore, now write all the points in the box. Here write the points. And here you write z equal to 3x plus 9y. Okay. Point A. What is point A? It is 15 comma 15. Next, what is point B? 5 comma 5. What is point C? 0 comma 10. and take point D, that is 0 comma 20. So now you have to put all these points in the equation Z. Write in the Z 3 into 15 plus 9 into 15. You have to simplify 3 into 15 plus 9 into 15, that will be 180. In the place of x, you write 15. In the place of y, you write 15. 3 into 15 plus 9 into 15. To simplify, it will be 180. Next, in the place of x, you put 5. In the place of y, you put 5. 3 into 5, 15. 9 into 5, 45. 45 plus 15 will be 60. In the place of x, put 0. In the place of y, put 10. 9 into 10 is 90 plus 0. That is 90. So next, the place of x you put 0. In the place of y you put 20. 9 into 20 is 180. Okay. So this is maximum. That is maximum is 180. Minimum is 60. Maximum is 180. Minimum is 60. And finally, you have to write the conclusion. That is maximum value of Z is 60. Minimum value of Z is, the maximum value is 180. Maximum value is 180. Minimum value of Z is 60. Maximum value is 180. Minimum value is 60. Like this, you have to solve. So quickly tell me, all of you, have you understood this? First thing, you have to find the x value, y value. Next thing, you have to draw the graph. After you draw the graph, you have to write uh, corner points. After getting the corner points, you have to find maximum and minimum. So quickly tell me, all of you, have you understood this or not? Quickly tell me, have you understood the problem or not? Clear? So any doubts? Any doubts? Where is Praveen? Okay. So now I will go for the next problem. Most of you are not attending the class. Again, only 33 students are there. So what about the others? Tell others also to join the class. Because of all of you, I am taking these classes, but still some of you are not attending it. Have you understood, Praveen? And so many of others also are not there. So which are in the passing package group? All of you must attend the live class that I said. Okay. So now we shall go for the second problem. We shall go for the second problem, and all of you try to solve it on your own. I will also solve, and you have to compare the answers. I will also solve, and all of you also try to solve it. and try to get the answer. Okay, I will also solve, you also, everyone has to solve it so that we can compare our answers. Okay, start to solve the problem. Here z equal to 5x plus 10y, x plus 2y equal to 120, x plus y equal to 60, x minus 2y is greater than or equal to 60. This is lesser than or equal to 120. This is greater than or equal to 60. Okay. So now to simplify this, I will take it as x plus 2y equal to 120, x plus y is equal to 60, x minus 2y equal to 0. Simplify these terms. Here if x is 0, y is 60. If y is 0, x is 120. Okay. Here you can see x and y. If x is 0, y is 60. If y is 0, x is 60. And you can see third equation. If x is 0, y is 0. If x is 0, y is 0. And if I put x value as 60, if I put x value as 60, y will be 30. So some of you are solving and giving me the answers. Very good. All are getting the right answers. Go on solving. Okay. Now we have to draw the graph. See the graph. I will take it as 0, okay, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. X value maximum is 120. Okay, 90, 100. This is 110, 120. Here you can write is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Here. Okay. So next, see the graph of x plus 2y equal to 120. X is 0, y is 60. So first value is x is 0, y is 60. X is 0, y is 60. And the another point is x is 120, y is 0. Okay, x is 120, y is 0. So for this you can see have to join this line. Okay. So you take the scale and join it clearly. And the second line is x is 0, y is 60. is 0, y is 60, and another line is x is 60, y is 0. So join with the solid line. Okay. So here also you must draw the solid line. Okay. And see the third one, that is x is 0, 0, y is 30. X is 60, y is 30, and 0 comma 0 is the line. Here, write the equation of line x minus 2y greater than or equal to 0. And the first one is x plus y lesser than or equal to 120. And the third line is x plus y is greater than or equal to 60. Okay. So now we have to check the true or false. We have to check true or false for line passing through the origin. For line passing through the origin, here you have to take minus 10 comma plus 10. For line passing through the origin, you take minus 10 comma plus 10. That will be minus 10 minus 20 greater than or equal to 0. So this is false because you get minus 30. You get minus 30 greater than or equal to 0, which is false. Okay. So arrow mark should be away from the second quadrant. Arrow mark should be away from the second quadrant. Okay. Next, see this line. Put x as 0, y as 0. If you put x as 0, y as 0, 0 is lesser than or equal to 120. This is true. True means towards origin. True means towards origin. Put 0, 0 here, 0 comma 0 here. So 0 is greater than or equal to 60. This is false. If it is false, away from the origin. Arrow mark should be away from the origin. So now the feasible region will be here. This is your feasible region. You have to take the feasible region. This is going to be your feasible region. You have to find point A and you have to find point B. Here this is point C and this is point D. Don't worry about point C and point D. Don't worry about point C and point D. They are going to give you directly the values. Now you have to find point A. So for that you have to solve the line x minus 2y greater than or equal to 0 and another one is x plus y equal to 60. So for this point you have to solve this two line equation. So to solve this two line equation, you can solve here. So for point A, can see that you can take two lines. What are those? One is x plus 2y or x minus 2y equal to 0, x minus 2y equal to 0, and another one is x plus y equal to 60. Can see here, for point A you have to solve x minus 2y equal to 0 and another line is x plus y equal to 60. The point present on two lines. That two lines you have to simplify. Can see here, point is present on point A is present on x minus 2y equal to greater than or equal to 0 and x plus y greater than or equal to 60. That you have to choose and you have to simplify. So for that you can take x will be equal to 2y. So in the place of x you can write 2y plus y equal to 60. So 3y equal to 60. Y is 20. So once you get y equal to 20, put here 2 into 20. That is x will be equal to 40. So point A is 40 comma 20. Point A is 40 comma 20. Okay. Next find for point B. For point B, you see the point B is present on which lines? You can see that point B is present on again x minus 2y greater than or equal to 0 and another line is x plus 2y equal to 120. We have to solve that. For point B, we have to simplify x minus 2y equal to 0 and another one is x plus 2y equal to 120. Know that x is equal to 2y. From this you know that x is equal to 2y. In the place of x you write 2y plus 2y equal to 120, 4y equal to 120, y equal to 30. Therefore, if y is 30, x is 60. Therefore, point B is C comma 30. Point B is 60 comma 30. And you can see point C. Point C is how much? Here you can see point C, that is 0 comma 60 and point D is 0 comma 120. Okay, so now you got 4 points. And draw the box and find the required result. See here, you can write points and equation of z. Write equation of z, that is 5x plus 10y. Okay, so point A is 40 comma 20. Point B is 60 comma 30. Point C is, sorry, these are 60 comma 0, not 0 comma 60. See the point C. Here point C is 60 comma 0, because x value is 60, y value is 0. On the same way, here also x is 120, x is 120, y is 0. Therefore, see the C value, x is 60, x is 60, y is 0, and D is x is 120, y is 0. Now put all these terms in Z. X value is 40. 5 into 40 is 200. 5 into 40 is 200, plus 10 into 20, 200. 200 plus 200 is 400. 5 into 60, that is 300. 5 into 60 is 300. 10 into 30 is 300. 300 plus 300 is 600. 5 into 60 is 300. So 10 into 30 is 300. 300 plus 300 is 600. Here 5 into 60 is 300. 10 into 0 is 0. So 5 into 120 is 600. Okay. Therefore, 600 is maximum. 600 is maximum. 300 is minimum. So about scale, you see here, so you can write the scale in the corner, no problem. The corner you write x-axis 1 centimeter equal to 10 units. Y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 10 units. You can write here, no problem. Here also x-axis 1 centimeter equal to 5 units. Y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 5 units. That you can write here. All of you quickly tell me, have you understood the problems? All of you quickly tell me, have you understood the problems? How many got the correct answer? How many of you got the correct answer? Please tell me. Okay. So go through the third problem and the fourth problem. I will share the notes to your WhatsApp group. I will share the notes to your WhatsApp group, and from there you can take your notes, no problem, and watch the video for understanding the problems clearly. Once you understand the problems clearly, then you can go for solving them. Okay, so try to solve fourth and fifth problem. Sorry, third and fourth problem. Try to solve the third and fourth problem. Try to solve the third and fourth problem. And in the next class, we can continue with the remaining problems. In the next class, I will continue with the remaining problems. I will just go through the third and fourth problem. If you get the answers, no problem, or I will solve it in the next class so that you can compare your problems. You can understand them and you can get the answers are correct or not. Before coming to the next class, you solve third and fourth problem. Okay. So after LPP, I will go for matrices and continuity problems. Here, after LPP, I will go for matrices and continuity problem. In the tomorrow's class, I will finish LPP and I will start your continuity problem. The tomorrow's class, I will finish LPP and I will go for continuity problems. Are you getting my point? So, but please be careful. Solve problem number 3, problem number 4 before coming to the next class. So practice this there. So you will get 6 marks from LPP. So if you solve this much, you will get 6 marks. There. Okay. So let us meet tomorrow again at the same time, that is 1 p.m. Thank you. Let us join tomorrow.